One idea I have for my salvage goods business is I'm gonna cut the sheet metal sections out of washers, dryers, stoves like this, then I'll use a CNC plasma cutter to do specialty like signs and cutouts for people. And I can say that it's completely salvaged and it's gonna have a much less like carbon impact than if you're gonna buy something like that new. So we're gonna cut this panel out so I can make something out of it. Surprised I didn't start something on fire. But yeah, look, there's a nice piece of sheet metal. It's already nice and painted for me. Yeah, the idea is that I can basically make something out of this, have my material be close to free, or if not much, much less than if I were to buy a piece of sheet metal at the store, and whatever I'm making from it is upcycled, right? It's not this steel that had to go through this intense manufacturing process just to make a new item you want to purchase. It's an item that's made. It was slow as hell with this battery powered Ryobi. The corded tool is definitely cut through a lot quicker. This thing barely made it through.